In today's video, I'll show you how to enable voice chat on Roblox. Let's get started right away. First, click on the link in the description and sign into your Roblox account. Go to Settings and click on Account Info at the top left corner of your screen. To enable voice chat in Roblox, you must be at least 13 years old, and you need to verify your phone number or your age. To verify your phone number, click on the text that says Add Phone. Enter your phone number here and click Continue. Type the code you received on your email and then enter the code sent to your phone. Once done, click Continue. You'll see a message asking, do you want to be recommended to Roblox users who have your phone number? Choose yes or no, then click Done. Now you can start using voice chat on Roblox. If you don't have a phone number, you can verify your age instead. Click on Verify My Age. You'll need a valid ID and a smartphone. Scan the QR code with your smartphone and click on Begin Verifying. Select your country and click Select. Choose the ID you want to upload, take a photo of it, and click Use this photo. Do the same for the back of your ID, then you need to take a photo of yourself. Click Get Started. Take your photo and you're done. Wait for your identity to get verified. Now, click on Privacy in the left corner of your screen. Go to Microphone and Camera Input and enable Use Microphone to chat with voice. That's it. You can now use voice chat on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!